All right, driving around Chirac in my Ford F-150, cruising around the streets, giving it another test drive in my Ford F-150. All right, it's cold outside. The temperature right here says -41 degrees on the screen in my Ford F-150. All right, coming to a stop. People are bundled up, you know, have coffee in their hands outside. You wonder what they're thinking. I know they're thinking it's cold, but I'm kind of warm in my Ford F-150 because the temperature is up. I have it turned up to extra warm. Got it blowing at my feet, on my face. It's feeling good in my Ford F-150. All right, waiting for this light to change so I can cruise down the street. Cruising down the street, seeing what's going on around here. What's going on, everybody? I'm just here driving around in my Ford F-150, seeing what's going on around the city. What's happening with you all? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Look at that car, nice and shiny. Salt on the road, so if you're looking at the roads and you see that it's white, it's because of the salt that was sprinkled down on the ground. There's a little bit of police activity going up here. I'm in Chirac, so it's not alarming. A little bit of police activity. I'm gonna drive up there to see what's going on and see if everybody's okay. All right, cruise on past this guy carrying cinder blocks. Whoa, did you see how I stopped right there? The braking system is kind of good on this. There goes a Ram 3500 right there. So I call those people wannabes. They want to be a Ford F-150 or a Ford 250 or even a Ford 350. They're wannabes. It's all right, just cruising around in my Ford F-150. It's a big truck right there. Office Max. What kind of truck that is? It's not a Ford F-150. All right, come on, cruise on in your Nissan Rogue. I'm gonna pull up beside and see what you think. My Ford F-150. Cruising around, police officer. How you doing, police officer? You see me in my Ford F-150. Everyone's bundled up outside, and we had like a polar vortex came through here, blowing cold air, freezing everything. Got people bundled up, looking like, I don't know, cold out here. People have scarves on, hats. Be careful out there. If you're outside right now, be careful because you could get frostbite. Bitten by the frost. Stay warm. If you have a Ford F-150, turn up the heat like I'm doing right now in my Ford F-150. Oh, I just hit the max button right here. Turn that off because I don't want it. It's kind of loud. So I'm just driving around, test driving. Gonna go over through this intersection. One thing I like about this truck, it really absorbs, one thing that I like about this Ford F-150 is that it absorbs the shock on the road tremendously. All right, I can go over a bump, not feel too much of it because it's absorbing the shock a lot in this vehicle. This Ford F-150. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go ahead and drive by the Lamborghini dealership and look at some of those vehicles. I'm not gonna get out. I'm just gonna stay in my Ford F-150 and just cruise around in my Ford F-150. Yep. All right, sitting in traffic in Chirac, in Chicago. I'm getting caught up in traffic. It's really not going anywhere. Oh man. Cruising around. What's going on, people? What's going on, Chicago? Driving around in my Ford F-150. All right, this is boring. I'm about to get off. turn it off, sit around, maybe get something to eat. I'm a Ford F-150. What's this guy doing right here? He has a mask on. Cruising around, looks kind of cold. Give him my jacket or something. Even the dogs are cold. Where are your dog jackets at? Dog's looking cold out here. Go ahead, turn right here. Guy looking crazy over here. Must be cold out here. Cold makes you go crazy. So I'm just driving around the streets. Four-wheel drive on. Automatic lights on. Headlights on. Make sure the headlights on. Make sure people can see me coming in my Ford F-150. Cruising around. Kind of tired. Didn't sleep well last night. It's alright. Make up for it tonight. Cruising around. Let's see what's going on. Now I can go down that street. That street looks like it's kind of busy. I'm trying to cruise by that. Let's see if I can make this light. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Am I gonna make it? Nah. Just wish I had turbo boost. I wish I had that F-150 Raptor. Couldn't make that light. Disappointed. Yeah. Cruising around, cruising around. Oh man, gotta get out of here. All right, so this test drive is kind of boring because I'm kind of caught up in traffic right now. So I'm just gonna get off. And now, you know what? I'm gonna actually cruise by the, before I get off, I'm gonna cruise by the Lamborghini dealership. All right, I'm gonna take it up. Gonna try to make sure I make the rest of these lights. Make the rest of the lights. Boom, boom, boom. Oh wow, look, almost getting caught up in traffic. All right, time to turn up here. I'm about to go to the Lamborghini dealership. Whoa, look at the traffic. Caught up in traffic again. All right, should I make the turn? Come on, you guys. I'm gonna be able to make it. This car is going way too slow for my likings. I'm gonna go ahead and turn right here. All right, just made it out. Walk, all right, we're getting places. We're getting closer to the Lamborghini dealership in my Ford F-150. All right, going close. Oh man, another light. Ah! All right, here we go. But I'm not upset. Wait for the guy to cross the street. Tired, 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 tired. There we go, people crossing the street over here. I'm in Chirac, if you're just tuning in. Getting on, like riding around. I'm in Chirac. Chicago is what they call it, but Chirac is where I'm at. It's kind of dangerous here, but I'm in my Ford F-150, so I feel safe. I'm just gonna cruise on past here. I'm trying to make it to the Lamborghini dealership. All right, I'm gonna make a right-hand turn right over here. Get out of here so I can see some Lamborghinis. All right, crossing, 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 crossing. Make this right-hand turn. Woo! All right, here we go. Let's see what's going on. Let's see what's going on. Shift in progress. I just shifted to 2-wheel drive. I took it out of the 4-wheel drive in my Ford F-150. Getting past this truck right here. All right, about to drive past the Lamborghini dealership. See if they have any Lamborghinis out. I don't know if they do, but we'll see. Guy respected me. He looked, he saw that I'm in this Ford F-150, and he was like, I respect you, bro. Give you the head. All right, passing the Lamborghini dealership. They don't have any vehicles out right now. Maybe it's too early. Not sure. There's a Bugatti. Gonna cruise around. They don't have it. Oh well, so I'm just gonna continue cruising around the street in my Ford F-150, coming down the street right here. Right now I'm going towards this place, this area called Viagra Triangle. All right, Viagra Triangle right here, you guys. You look it up. They call this area Viagra Triangle. You'll figure out why they call it Viagra Triangle if you look it up. I'm not gonna go into the details too much, but that's what they call it. I'm just gonna cruise on down the street. Going through here. All right, let me try to snug my way through here. Tight parking, valet parking. All right, made it through in my Ford F-150, going through tight spaces. Able to make it through. Look at that Range Rover right there. Made it through. Let's see if I can make this light too. Made it through the light as well. Driving down the street. Made it to Viagra Triangle. Not much going on right here right now, but this is Viagra Triangle. Coolio. All right. Going through the Gold Coast of Chicago right now. They call it the Gold Coast, but I don't see any gold anywhere. I don't know why they call it Gold Coast if you don't see any gold. Yeah, back here. Waiting for the light. Okay, there's a AMG G63 truck right there. Pretty powerful truck, but it's not a Ford F-150. All right, cruising through, cruising. Probably on the internet's in his car or something. Don't know who that is. Thinks he's kind of special or something. Some people have the nerves. All right, just cruising on through. This guy right here is being a total, like, distraction. He's distracted by something. I'm not sure what it is, but he needs to get it together. All right, I'm gonna turn off this automatic feature right here. It turns off the auto start stop turned off. Cruising around Gold Coast in my Ford F-150. Going around. All right, so that's my test drive, driving through Chicago in my Ford F-150. I think that's my last test drive with this truck. Guys, let me know what you think. Talk to you soon.